Unraveling the Black Friday Frenzy, a guide to the chaos and bargains. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and often chaotic event that grabs headlines every year, Black Friday. For those learning English, understanding cultural phenomena like this is not only interesting but also expands your vocabulary and comprehension of English phrases. So, let's decode the meaning behind the Black Friday frenzy, and why it's such a big deal in many countries. Black Friday refers to the day after the American holiday of Thanksgiving, which falls on the fourth Thursday of November. It marks the beginning of the holiday shopping season. This day is characterized by retail stores offering significant discounts and deals to attract customers. The term black in Black Friday symbolizes the shift from losses, red, to profits, black, in retailers' books, a tradition in accounting practices. The frenzy aspect of Black Friday refers to the intense excitement and chaotic rush of shoppers trying to take advantage of huge discounts. Stores often open very early or even at midnight, and people line up for hours to be among the first to grab the best deals. This frenzy can lead to crowded stores, long lines, and sometimes even physical confrontations among shoppers vying for limited stock items. Black Friday has a significant impact both economically and culturally. Economically, it's a day when retailers can make a substantial portion of their annual sales. Culturally, it highlights the consumerism inherent in many societies, sparking debates about spending habits and the environmental impact of mass consumption. However, it also brings opportunities for shoppers to purchase goods at lower prices, making expensive items more accessible to a broader audience. Initially a strictly American tradition, Black Friday has spread to other countries, with stores around the world adopting the sales and marketing strategies associated with the day. This global adoption has also led to the online extension of Black Friday deals, with Cyber Monday emerging as an online shopping event the following Monday. We hope this video has shed some light on the Black Friday frenzy and its significance in both economic and cultural contexts. Whether you're a shopper eagerly waiting for the next deal or someone interested in the cultural phenomena of different countries, Black Friday is a fascinating event that showcases many aspects of modern consumer culture. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Stay tuned for more interesting topics. Remember, learning about these events is not just about adding new words to your vocabulary but understanding the culture and practices that shape the English-speaking world. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.